Hello guys, welcome back to the channel T-Lover. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get my latest update. So as you know that we have got the back-to-back ransomware attack on your PC again and again, which convert your all the file or data of your computer just in the format of dot extension. So I'll just show you some example of this extension. So this extension will convert your file into dot format and it will be encrypt over there. This should be decrypt to get your data back. But so firstly I'll tell you how you will just got this attack. So if you are using a Chrome browser or any browser, then a pop-up will come on your screen and you just allow some extension in your Chrome, then you might got an ransomware attack. Or you have just downloaded something cracked software from different without looking for the site identity, site verification. You just go for downloading and you install the software, then you might got a ransomware attack. So these two things can get your PC attacked by a ransomware. So the ransomware is simply just like a kidnapping. Okay, so here the ransomware will kidnap your data and they will just ask for some amount of money to get your data back. But in this video I'll show you how you can get your data back without paying for the ransomware. Okay, if you can't go for this video, then I have just made a blog on this ransomware data recovery process. You can just move to my blog, and in the blog I have just written all the process that you should do to recover your file and remove the ransomware from the PC. You can go through this and you can remove the virus from computer and get your data back. Okay, so if you want to contact me through any medium, then you can just contact me through tlover2054 in Instagram if you have any queries and questions regarding this, or you can just use any medium, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp from my blog. I have just provided this link in my channel also. Okay, so let's begin for the today's topic. And in the topic of today we are just discussing how you can remove this extension from a computer and you can recover your data from your PC. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. So first thing, when you just get attacked by a ransomware virus, then your all the file on your PC will convert it in the format of this extension over here. There would be any extension, you don't have to worry about it. So there are a lot of decrypt tool also. Tell you that this decrypt tool are updated last in August 2019. So this decrypt tool are not updated since August 2019. So just don't go for this decrypting option because this will not help you. You have to just use any strong or professional data recovery software to get your data back. For example, I have a quick kill over here. I'll just extract this file over here. Okay, so quick kill has provided a decrypt tool. So we'll just open the decrypt tool, how it's work. So this is the decryptor this quick kill app provided us. So it has told that please run the application at administration. So we have to just run this application at administrator. So just right click and run as administrator. Okay, now you can look. Here is some extension given by this quick kill and you can extract some data recovery from this. But the virus extension that you are searching should just be available over here. Okay, so if your ransomware attack virus extension is over here, then you can easily remove your or decrypt your data. But if you have no extension on this, then you cannot get this. So I want to tell you that these all the decryptor tool are not updated 2019 August. So I don't suggest you to go for this. Okay, so I'll just show you how you can recover your data. So first thing, when your PC is attacked by virus, then you have to just put your computer in a safe mode. Okay, so for safe mode, just go for the search option and type run. Else you can just use this. I am showing you this command over here. Just type msconfig and just hit the OK option. Now a pop-up screen will open here and now you can see a boot option over here. Just go for the boot option and now you have to just select the safe boot in this boot option. While selecting the boot option, safe boot option, you have to just scroll down and you can see a network option here over there. Just click for the network. If you do not click for this network, then you will not able to connect your PC to the internet because this safe boot does not allow you to internet in the minimal alternate shell and active directory repair option. Okay, so you have to compulsorily select the network option in this thing, okay, and just apply for this and click on the OK. So I'm just not applying this, you have to apply this. So after applying this, your PC will be exactly like this. You will see a save food option in the top corner of your PC, okay. You have to check that either there is something in your PC that is, now you have to check that either the ransomware have left some their identity on your PC or not. So for that, just click on the this PC or my computer, and now you have to go for the local disk C, okay. So I have only single drive over here, just go for local disk C, and you have to just select the Windows option. Click on the Windows and scroll down. Now you can see a System32. Click on the System32 and just scroll down and you can get a driver option, okay. So click on the driver and you can see a etc. So just go for it, and now you can see a host. So I have just provided this thing in the blog also, okay. You can just read over here. Here is the file location, local disk C, Windows, System32, driver, etc. and host. So now you have to just edit host with the notepad. So let's go for it. We'll just edit this with the notepad. This is the host. Right click on it, open with, and you have to just select with the notepad. So here is a notepad, just go for it. So now if your computer is attacked or your ransomware have left some identity on your PC, then you will see a IP address just below this hashtag option, just like this, okay. When you see this, just select this IP address and delete this IP address and save this host file, okay. After saving this file, just close all this. So you can use any strong antivirus on the PC to remove this ransomware, but the best thing you can do on your PC is formatting or installing a new Windows on your C drive, because the data in the C drive are very rare to get back. Just format your C drive, and when your new Windows will load on your C drive, then you will run the data recovery software on your PC. Because if you just use the antivirus on your PC, then you might got the same attack in the future also. I have just provided this data recovery tool in my site, so just go for it. So this is the site. Here is I have the ransomware data recovery process. Just scroll down and here you can see a download option. Just click for it. Just click on the download option. So just click on the download anyway. So our file has been downloading, okay. So I have just downloaded this file, okay. So I'll show you how to install this thing. So for installing, just extract this stellar data recovery with WinRAR. So extract file. Now it requires a password over here. So I have just provided this password in my site also. Just scroll down and you can see a password as a T-level. So copy this, paste for it, okay. So this is the password. Press on the enter key. So our file is extracting over here. So as you see that it is successfully extract. We'll just run a normal installation in this PC. Here is the things. Go for this data recovery professional tool, double click it, and you will run a normal installation on your PC. So if your computer is in safe boot, then this might not work. So for installing this software, just go back or exit the safe boot and install this software. So click on the OK, next, 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 next. Here it is being installed. It does not take any time. It will just install within a couple of minutes, okay. So we have to just crack this software, because this software doesn't work without cracking. So it has been successfully installed. So we are finishing this setup, and now we have to crack this file. So for cracking the file, so if you haven't cracked this file, when you open the stellar data recovery, you will see a demo option just above this stellar data recovery. So I'll show you that thing also. So you can see that demo option just above the header of this stellar data recovery tool, okay. So just close this. Now we'll crack this software. So for cracking, just go for the crack folder. So you have to select your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit. So for looking this, just go for this PC. So after going for this PC, just click on the computer, and here is a system property. So when you go for system property, now you can see a bit of your computer. So here is a 64-bit operating system, okay. So I'm just selecting the 64-bit. If your computer is 34-bit, then you will see you have to select the 86-bit, okay. So just go for the 64 option, and you can see a 3 file just outside over here. So inside the dir folder you can see a next file also there, stellar data recovery. So copy this file, just move one step back, and you will paste this file over here. Okay, so here you can see a 4 file over here. Just copy this 4 file. After copying it, you will just go for the desktop and you will just search for the shortcut that stellar data recovery has created. Okay, so just right click on it. So open file location, and you will paste this thing in this folder. So it is this C drive, program file, stellar data recovery, and DR. Okay, so you can just move in this file also. So you have to paste over here. So it will ask for to replace the file. Go for replacing it, do for this all current item, and continue option. So within a second it will get cracked over here. Now we'll check this thing is cracked or not. Okay, so we'll just go for the stellar data recovery. So as you see that the demo version in the top header of the stellar data recovery has successfully removed. It means that we have successfully cracked our software. Now we'll go for the data recovery process. So if you need any data, then first of all you have to just uncheck this all data, because if you go for this all data, then it might take 2 days 3 days just to scan this file. Okay, so I don't suggest you to go for this all data. Now you have to select the respective file at once. Okay, so if you need a video, go for video. If you need for audio, go for audio only. If you need photo, go for photos only. So I suggest you one at a time. So now just click on the photos option. I need a photos. You can choose any of the option and click on the next option. So now you will select a drive, from which drive just you want to recover your data. Now you will select a drive over here, from which drive you want to extract or recover your data from. So I'm just selecting for the F drive. Okay, so before going for a scan, the most important things here you have to do is just click on the deep scan. If you just forgot this, then your data will be not recovered. Just click on the deep scan and go for the scan. So next thing I want to tell you that it might take 2-3 hours or more than 2-3 hours, or you might just got this thing within a 10 minute 15 minute. That depend upon your system volume or data you may have in this drive. Okay, your data recovery depend upon system configuration and the file that you have on your drive. This data recovery tool does not work 100%, but it work according to your data. So I have just provided some percentage of this data recovery. So you can recover up to 99% of your photos. Okay, so you can go for 80% on your videos, 70% on your document, and other file also there are chances to be recovered. So you can just get the Photoshop design or many more. Okay, it is being scanned over here. It might take some time. I'm just skipping this part. After completing this, you will see a pop-up like this, and you have to close this pop-up. Okay, so you will see your data on the raw data. Okay, so just don't go for the other folder. The 90% of data in this other folder are just useless. Okay, so you have to just go for the raw data. So here is the raw data. We'll just expand this, and you can see a JPG, PNG. So these are the format that you need. So these are the format that you have to get back your data. So there is a JPG. When you go for it, you can see a number of recovered data over here. Okay, so in this way you can get your data back on your computer. So just select this JPG folder, click on the recover, and now you have to select the destination folder. So main thing I want to tell you that if you recover the data from D drive and you save it in the D drive, then it will not acceptable. Okay, so if you want to recover the data from D drive, you have to save to the C, E, F or other drive. Okay, so do not select the same drive for the recovery and pasting option. So just go for the anything. Okay, so here I select the F drive, select the folder. Okay, so start saving, and it will start saving your file. So we'll just check the our file has been recovered or not. Okay, so I'll show you the proof that our file has been recovered. So it is my bootable pen drive. I'll go for the root. Okay, so here is the raw data JPG. Okay, now you can see our data has been recovered over here. Okay, so as you see that our data has been successfully repaired over here. So in this way you can get your data back. So if you need any supports and If you need any help and support regarding this topic or any issue, then you can directly contact me through the tlover2054 Instagram, or you are unable to use the Instagram, then you can just use the any medium from my blog. So thanks for your support. Thank you.